Today we'll learn how to install SSD in ASUS VivoBook X510U. For that we need to first unscrew the back cover. Let me unscrew the back cover. This is my screw arranger because the screws are not of all same height. The process of opening the back shell of this laptop is thoroughly described in another video. You can visit my channel for the detailed video. Now the shell is dismantled from this laptop. Now let me set the camera for a better view of the portion I'm going to work in. This is the hard disk drive I'm going to replace with a WD Blue SSD. This is 1 terabyte hard disk and I'm going to install a 500 GB solid state drive. Now first I have to unscrew and dismantle the Optane memory. I have to slide out the Optane memory first, otherwise I won't be able to bring out and slide out the hard disk drive. Now I have to unscrew all the screws and I can slide out the hard disk. Now I'm going to install this WD Blue SSD, 500 GB SSD here. Before that, I have to get the hard disk shell separated from the hard disk because we need that for the SSD installation. This is the 500 GB SSD WD Blue. Now I have to put the SSD in the bracket and now I have to screw the SSD like this. Now this is ready to be installed in the computer. Now let me slide in gently. Now I have to screw all the screws back. Now I have to install the Optane memory. I have to gently push it into its socket and then I have to fix it with the screw. Now this is the complete internal part. You can see the RAM which I have already upgraded and I made a video on that. You can watch that video in my channel. Now I have to put the things back where it was installed previously. Now let me put the back shell again. Let me screw it and fix it properly. Now we are going to install the Windows operating system into it, into the blank and raw solid state drive. Let me first switch on the computer and let me show you the screen what we get. ASUS logo, then the system screen, the BIOS utility screen you will get in this computer like this. You can see all the options, all the functions can be controlled, can be chosen from this page. Now what we will do, we'll plug in the USB drive from which we will be installing the Windows 10 operating system to the blank raw SSD of this ASUS VivoBook which I have just installed. So let me switch on the computer, the logo screen, boot screen. Now this is the installation screen. Follow the instructions, watch the video till the end and you will find how to install Windows 10 in a raw disk, in a raw hard disk or SSD. We are installing a fresh new Windows in this computer. We just need to click next for this. Now you can see what is happening. All the files are getting ready, copying, installing. After installing it will look for updates. Now it will get everything ready for you. This is the setup screen. This is the, now we have in the setup mode. Let me set up all the things really fast for you. So you can see the operating system is now installed. It will immediately look for update automatically. If not, you can search for the updates from the Windows update section. It will update all the required things in your computer and your computer will be ready for the further operation. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and do comment which you don't like in this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching.